Hello students, welcome to PharmaEasyNotes. Today we are going to understand Inorganic Chemistry Unit 1 with simple daily life examples. First, let's talk about impurities. When we use salt in our kitchen, it looks pure, but actually it contains small impurities like magnesium or calcium. Similarly, medicines also contains unwanted substances and these are called impurities. Now think about water. Tap water looks clean but contains dissolved impurities. That's why we purify it. In the same way, drugs also need purification. Before cooking rice, we remove stones and dirt. This is exactly what we do in pharmacy, removing impurities. Now let's understand limit test with a simple example. When making tea, if we add too much sugar, the tea becomes too sweet. But if sugar is in the right amount, it tastes perfect. Similarly, limit test checks whether impurities are within safe limit or not. Now, what is pharmacopoeia? Think of it like a recipe book. It tells that the exact standards, limits, and methods for drugs. So, today we learned impurities, limit test, and pharmacopoeia in a very easy way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow Pharma Easy Notes.